Everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin's big move up and why that was. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. I was live again on Wednesday, and we had a great time enjoying Dogecoin's big move up from the low sixes up to 6.9. This was right here when we were live, and we were talking about where does Dogecoin go from here. That's what we wanted to know. And my estimate at that time, and this is this white line that I drew, and I'm going to zoom out to the 2 hour here. I believed at that time, based on what I saw going on with the trading and the excitement and the increased volume, was that Doge was going to move up over 7 cents, come up to about 7.5, come back and retest, and then move on up. That retest of that 7-cent line was key. And I thought that was actually going to play out over a couple days. But it did it all today. It just compressed it all, moved up to 7.5 cents like I thought, and just came back down earlier today, retested, and now is in the process of moving back up. So that is the trading. And again, join me on my live streams. I'll be live again Friday night, 10 o'clock. I'll be later on Friday night. I do that on Friday nights. It's a fun time, so join me there, and we'll be doing more charting and looking at projections going forward. But why was this? Well, we have Dogecoin leads increases as large cryptocurrencies start mixed. And this is after a few days of very positive trading in the overall crypto markets, but we had Dogecoin moving up as the biggest move amongst the top cryptos because we saw a lot of retraction in Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, Matic, XRP, but not Doge. Doge just kept moving up. Why is that? Well, why is Dogecoin moving? Dogecoin has experienced a 10% surge in the past 24 hours as the overall market enters a green zone amid the optimism surrounding Bitcoin ETFs. That's right, the whole month of October has been up. Bitcoin has smashed through 34,000. Unfortunately, now Bitcoin is just below. It has just dipped down to 33.9 right now. But as Bitcoin has dipped down, Doge is actually did the dip and is starting to move back up, which is interesting. Overall, as we see that this unexpected rise in Bitcoin's price, renewed interest in the imminent approvals of spot Bitcoin ETFs, significant surge in trading volumes across spot markets, we think this is BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity, all of these institutions could actually be buying Bitcoin. We covered whale wallets and whale purchases in both Bitcoin and in Doge. And we've got whales buying large amounts of Doge in anticipation of what's coming forward. And we've covered this on the live streams as well, particularly when Doge was down in the low 6 and even dipping down into the 5s. And now we've got Doge moving up in the 7s. So that has been the accumulation that has happened, and now Doge is starting to take off. Here's Doge up 10%. Here are the reasons. Again, another view following Bitcoin's move. We had Doge from a low of 6.75 to a high of 7.5 in Thursday's trading. Dogecoin initiated this rise on October 19th from a low of 5.8 cents. Remember that? That was not too long ago. 7 out of 8 days have now been in the green. So, since the beginning of the week, hopes for a spot Bitcoin ETF have increased Bitcoin prices, and most altcoins, including Doge, have benefited from the surge. Now, this is what has started the surge, but what I think this is about is Doge, SHIB, and others are jumping because crypto traders are taking riskier bets. That's right. The riskier bets means that a lot of traders think that because of this big move by Bitcoin, there's less chance of a big, huge dip in the crypto market. All of those people are saying Bitcoin's going to drop down to 12K or 10K. Well, they're all kind of just sitting on the sidelines, aren't they? And that's the same with Dogecoin too. I've heard even in my streams, some people saying that they've got limit buy orders set for Doge down at 3 cents and even 2 cents. They're never going to fill. They're not going to fill, and they missed the boat. So with this increased risk of crypto traders buying in, what does that mean? That means meme coin madness. That's right. That's meme coin season, not just altcoin season, because we have that, but meme coin season as well, starting because of this shift to more riskier bets. We've got Pepe taken off. Now, we covered that yesterday, and part of that was just kind of silly with this XRP Pepe thing that isn't a thing at all, but that doesn't stop a bunch of people from jumping out of the Pepe train. She did okay, but Doge is the one that's got most meme coin investors' attention because of the X-Twitter coming payment integration and how that's going to work. SpaceX Moon 1 mission coming up, and maybe even Tesla as well. We'll see what happens there. And what typically we see is we see Bitcoin make a move, we see altcoins follow, and then the memes. Yes, and then the meme coins make their move. And we've seen that before happen, and that is what is happening now. So the other thing that was interesting that we talked about on the stream on yesterday was this relationship between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And so we've got this chart here, which is the Doge BTC chart. And we saw this dip down below 0.0002, down below 20. And when we saw that, I was like, this is the bottom. This is the bottom of that Doge BTC trading pair. And that if you buy Dogecoin now, this was as of yesterday, if you buy it there, you're going to see Dogecoin outperform Bitcoin if you're buying it now. I thought, again, it would take a little longer to start that move, but it did it today. So today we see this spike up in the Doge BTC pair. We'll continue to watch this as trading goes forward. Again, join me Friday night live, 10 o'clock East Coast time. That's when I'll be on. And we'll see how the trading goes the next couple days. Right now, we're looking at this move of Dogecoin staying above 7 cents, which is starting to build a good support at 7. Again, we had it back here on Tuesday when Doge made its big move and it touched 7 as resistance and then blasted through it. Early today, blasted up through it, and now it's support. So that kind of trading is what we like to see as we're seeing higher lows and higher highs. So will we see this come back up and touch 7.5 cents? Again, we'll see. Again, we'll be tracking this on the live stream. Let me know what you guys think, though, in the comments below of this trading of Doge. Are you still accumulating DCA? However you're doing that, as well as what other cryptos you're trading in as well. Give the video a like. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.